Hey guys, this is Leong here, your Asian Juice Guru, and I've done a Facebook Live to share on 3 things. Number 1, the benefits about fennel. Number 2, which part of the fennel can be eaten. And number 3, how to use your fennel. Now, just in case if you miss that sharing, I just want to specifically take this particular video to share with you how to use your fennel, right? So first of all, the entire fennel here can be used, right? Most people only mistaken, they use only the bulb, and what they do is that they throw away the stalk and they throw away the leaves. So don't do that. That is a huge wastage. In fact, all the good stuff is in the entire fennel itself, right? So what I've done is that I have separated the 3 critical parts of the fennel so that you know where and how you can use them. Okay, so number 1, I'll talk about the bulb here, which is this onion looking piece at the bottom. Okay, you can use this for juicing, which I use it a lot for juicing because I want to keep the essential oils in it and all the nutrients intact as much as possible. I use it for roasting as well. So instead of using just garlic or using onions, for a change, what you want to do is that you want to use the fennel bulb for roasting as well. It tastes perfectly great, especially if you are still consuming meat. And for vegans as well, or vegetarians, this can be another alternative for you. Thirdly, I use it for grilling. Okay. Now, of course, some of you say, Mark, what if I'm not going to roast it, grill it? Can I steam it? Of course you can. It's entirely up to you. Okay. And just remember, guys, for those of you, if you're getting organic fennel, don't need to put flavor to the soup. Okay. And again, like I said, the great stuff, it's in the fennel. You do not want to waste it. And last but not least, for me, I put the stock in as well, right? It gives you that extra minerals in your stock. And what you can do is that if you're not able to consume this, you can wash it, put it in a bag, freeze it. Whenever you want to use it, take it down, defrost it, right? That is how easy it is to keep this, right? So that is the 3 different parts of the fennel on how you can use them. Make sure to subscribe to my page for more information on your food and nutrition to help you achieve a fit and healthy life.